Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Flydigi controller and device are ready. Plug in or pair the controller, then open Flydigi Game Center, sign in or set up an account when prompted. Once done, allow any firmware or driver updates. They ensure stability and feature parity. Make sure the app shows your controller model. If it doesn't, reconnect or toggle Bluetooth to force rediscovery. These steps get you into the app quickly so you can begin mapping and configuring. Now you build a usable profile. Tap Create Profile, choose the target game, and give it a clear name so you can find it later. Then map inputs by selecting a button in the app and pressing the physical control. Test each mapping with the live input tester. After mapping, fine-tune dead zones and sensitivity so movements feel smooth in-game. Once you're happy, save the profile locally and optionally sync to the cloud so you don't lose custom settings across devices. Finish by adding advanced features like macros or long press combos to automate tricky sequences. Set timing and repeat options carefully. Next, enable game-specific tuning such as gyro aiming or aim assist modifiers and set activation thresholds so they only trigger when you want them to. Finally, test the full setup in your game and iterate. If things go wrong, try a quick fix. Restart the controller, reinstall Flydigi Game Center, or repair Bluetooth. These actions resolve most connectivity or profile load errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.